Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Twitch tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to change the language on Twitch. This is actually quite simple. First I open Twitch, and as we can see, Twitch is currently running in English. For this tutorial I will change the language on Twitch to German. However, you can also change Twitch to any other language. Just follow the positions where I click and you will get there. To change the language on Twitch, I click on my profile picture at the top right. And I can already find the language setting down here. If I click on it, I can select a different language. As I said, I will now switch to German. And Twitch now reloads and already is set to German. By the way, this also works when I'm not logged into Twitch. Instead of my profile picture, I click on this icon and find the settings for the language here. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.